Hello friends, welcome to Investation. We're going to see the quick summary or quick understanding on Colombo Stock Exchange website. So to go to the website, you need to type www.cse.lk. That's the Colombo Stock Exchange website. And once you enter, you will be directed to a page like this. This is the home page of Colombo Stock Exchange. So in this page, you have several subcategories. If you take one by one, it's trading data. Under this, you will get equity, debt, fund related information. Listed entities. Under the listed entities, you will get all the company related information, upcoming listings, issuer relations, everything. Member firms, so basically we call it as stock brokers. So you will get all the information or who are the registered stockbrokers under Colombo Stock Exchange. You will find out all the details over here. Investors, this is all about transaction details about foreigners and locals. Also you will get EGM calendar dates, transfer of portfolios, research, etc. Publications, under the publication you will get CSE daily, weekly, monthly, quarterly. So this is basically all the past records. If you view the daily report, you will get that particular day's summary of transactions. So this will help us to understand the market performance that has happened in the past. Moving on to CSE rules, there are a set of rules under Colombo Stock Exchange and Securities of Securities Exchange and Commission controlling body, and those are the listed or published rules. This is CDS. CDS is Central Depository System. Once you press this CDS, you will direct it to a separate website which will give you all the information related to CDS, and we will see what is CDS in later videos. So this is the subcategories or the main information that are categorized under several areas, and this area is live time and date, and you can see a long dark or ash color stripe here, and this is a running price notice board. So during the trading hours, you can see the prices are moving over here. This is the latest price or share code, and the price are moving in this particular area. And this is a symbol search. So if you want to find out particular securities latest price, you can type over here and get the latest detail. And this is the search bar here. In this search, you have two options. So if you want to find a company, you can type the company names. For example, I'll take John Keys, because John Keys is a group of company. And if you want to see what are the companies that was listed on the particular group, just type the company name and you will find out all the details here. So there are 3 companies listed in stock exchange under John Keys group of companies. And the second option is, if you know the code of that particular share. For an example, Access Engineering. So Access Engineering is defined or categorized under AEL. So that's the code, the share code for Access Engineering. So once you enter AEL and press enter, you will direct it to the particular company. You will get these share informations. Okay. Moving on to the home page. This is ASPI. So everyone knows that Colombo Stock Exchange is index-based pricing method, and we have 2 kind of index. One is all share price index, but known as ASPI, and the other one is S&P SL20. So this ASPI is basically the collective of all the companies, and the S&P SL20 is there are highly liquidated selected companies are under in this category. So basically these these 20 companies are uh, having a larger market capitalization in the stock exchange. And this area is a market summary. So this is basically share volume and turnover uh, traded in that particular trading date, maybe say last trading date. Okay, uh, this area is a price movement, and you can see ASPI, S&P, SL20, jigs. So under ASPI you can see how the price has moved on the last trading day. So here you can see the time frames: 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, first quarter, and first year. So there are different time frames. So if you want to see the time frames how it works, you can simply press 1 week and you can see last 5 days how the trading was performed. Likewise 1 month, first quarter, and first year. So this is SPI, and same way you can find out S&P, SL20, and jigs. Okay, so what is this jigs? Jigs is stand for global industry classification system. Okay, so basically this was monitored by S&P Dow Jones, which is a US based company, and this jigs is basically categorized. So we know that we have like many companies, mostly about 290 odd companies are listed on the Colombo Stock Exchange. So these 290 companies, they have their nature of business. So based on the nature of business, the companies are categorized under GICS. So if you take the categories or sectors, I would go sector wise: plantation sector, transportation, services, banking and finance, insurance. Likewise, there are several sectors. So under the sectors, the companies are listed. So if you want to choose a particular stock, you can simply go to the sector and you can see what are the companies or whoever performed well in the past years or past months to identify to invest in that particular stock. So that's called jigs, and you can find out, see, these codes are uh, showing the particular sector of the uh, companies. So these are the tradings, number of tradings performed in that day, and the index points, and the changes that was happening in the last trading date. Okay, and this area is advertisement area. So you can see there are 4 dots here. So this, which means there are 4 advertisements in this area. So the first advertisement is this. Second, likewise you have several advertisements over here. If you want to publish your company details also, you can pay CSC and you can publish your advertisement over there. That and moving on, you will see corporate disclosures. So basically, if company wants to release any sort of a sensitive information, for an example, we'll see this company's director or the chairman is resigning and they are going to recruit a new chairman, new board member, they need to publish to CSC first. They cannot give unto the media. They need to publish to CSC and then to the rest. If they fail to publish through CSC, and for example, we'll see this company A has announced, or company A is going to recruit a new CEO, appoint a new CEO, and the present one is resigning. So that particular information must be come to CSC first. So if they published in media or somewhere else without giving the CSC, and CSC is have a rights to take action against that company. So that's one thing. And you can see corp disclosures. So for an example, in this area you can see corporate disclosures. So these are the company names and dates and type of disclosure. So corporate disclosure, rights issue, retirement of the chairperson, dividends, everything. So there are several categories. We will go through on a detailed basis on future videos. Okay, this is corporate disclosure. And second one is disclosures on impact of COVID-19. financial reports, CSE circulars, SEC directives, everything, and watch list. So watch list is basically CSE have set of rules companies have to follow. So if they fail to follow, for example, they need to publish the financial information, financial statements on time. So if they fail to do it, CSE will monitor several times. After the period, if they have not published, they will blacklist or they will put it on a watch list to see how these companies performing. So we need to be, as investors, we need to be vigilant. Whoever the whatever the company is under watch list, we must close to monitor, or we shouldn't take a call on that particular stock because CSE has given a indication that this company is under watch list. So for an example, I'm just clicking over there to see what's there. So you can see these 8 constraints entering financial statements, and these are the first quarter statements are published over there, and these are the disclosures on COVID-19. So after the impact of coronavirus, CSE circulars, you can see some circulars are listed over here, and Securities Exchange of Commission directives. This is a governing body of CSE. Okay. So this is another area, and moving on, you can see the share price list. So this is latest, or I would say price list or the details of last trading day summary. So you can see this is a code or symbol of that particular company. Abans, AFSL, Access Engineers, so few things I know, and some most of them I don't know on code. And you can see share volume, open price, high, low, last trade. So this is a summary. You can get the historical data in the categories which I shown in the first opening of the video. So under that you will have the detailed information about the particular company details. And going below, you will have the top gainers, stop losses, and most active traders. So this area is basically a summary of the particular trading days, gainers, losers, most active traders who contributed towards the SPI. So and you can see the price changes, what has happened over the last trading date. This is the most active traders. So this is all about the CSE in summary, which was indicated in the website home page, and there are several listed over here, which mean I mean this is a what do you call it? It's a easy area. So you don't need to go through the categories. Once you press these details or these icons, you will directly taken to this particular area. So you can see this EGM calendar. It was here. So you don't need to go through this area. Just press here, and you will take to the calendar that is happening in the next couple of days and months. So that's all about the Colombo Stock Exchange website home page. And in the next videos, I will take you through the detailed summary or the historical data of the Colombo Stock Exchange works. Thank you for watching.